Welcome the our channel. Today we how to activate Showtime on Xbox step by step clearly. To activate Showtime on your Xbox, start by turning on your console. Once the console has booted up, navigate to the Microsoft Store using your controller. In the Microsoft Store, use the search function to look for the Showtime app. When you find the Showtime app, select it from the search results. Next, click on the Get or Install button to download the app to your console. After the installation is complete, return to the home screen. Locate the Showtime app in your list of installed games and apps. Open the Showtime app to begin the activation process. You will be prompted to sign in or create a Showtime account. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials. If you need to create a new account, follow the on-screen instructions to register. After signing in, the app will provide you with an activation code. Take note of this activation code for use on another device. Now, use a computer or smartphone to go to the Showtime activation website. On the activation website, enter the provided code in the designated field. Follow any additional prompts to complete the activation process. Once activated, return to your Xbox. You will now have full access to Showtime content on your console. Enjoy watching your favorite shows and movies on Showtime. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.